Hello friends, today we are discuss about integrity constants in SQL. Integrity and constants are two words. First, integrity is purity and constant is sets of rule. Integrity constants is also said to be as validation in Visual Studio, but here we are said to be as integrity constant. What is integrity constant? Integrity constants are the protocols that a table data column must follow. These are used to restrict the types of information that can be entered into a table. If there is no restriction there, any data will be user filled in table. For this restriction, for this reason, the integrity constants should be used in table. Integrity constant Integrity constant should be five types: not null, default, unique, check, and primary. There are five types of integrity constant. Integrity constants must be divided into two parts: column level constants and table level constants. All of these five constants are said to be as trigger. Now we have discussed first column level constants. In column level constants, first not null. Not null field can't be empty. In not null constants, you can't be empty the field. Here is the syntax column name and type, and then here size, and then type not null constants. And where we can use now you have questions where we can use integrity constant. Integrity constants should be used when we create table. just just like example, we have to create table here students, and then name varchar type thing, we type varchar type size, and then here we can put integrity concept not null, and then other type column name size, and then for integrity constant. Just like that we have discussed second default constant. If we can't fill data, then by default selected data will be inserted. Default data will be inserted automatically if user can't be enter data. Here is syntax. Third is unique. This constant not allow user to same type of data. In this constant, the user have not allowed the same type of data should be entered again and again. If you enter same type of data, the system don't accept this type of data. Here is the syntax. Next one is check constant. It is conditional constant. Check check constant is a conditional constant. Here we can given condition to execute the table. If we put a wrong, we put if we put wrong condition, then the table should be an error. The data should be not entered into a table. The fifth one is table level constant. Second one, table level constant in this primary key. Primary key, what is primary key? Primary key constants uniquely identifies each record in table. It must contain unique value. Here is the syntax. Now we have to go on SQL command prompt, and there we can do it practically and understand what is the problem and how we use integrity constants. Here is the SQL command prompt, and now we have create a table of a student's name. Okay, here we can use name as a column name type varchar type and size 20. Here we can use two constants. First one is not null and second one is unique, and then press enter, and we can use second column roll. Here type is should be number and size is 3, and here we can use constants primary key. So primary key is the keyword where we can not either be single one constant should be used. Third one is age. Here we can use check. It is a conditional constant. age greater than equal to 20. If we enter age less than 20, then error should be occurred and the data should be not entered into table. And fourth one is marks. Here we can given marks. Okay, now we can see that table is created. Now we insert a table data into table. First we have to insert into student one data. For inserting data we have to use insert command, and then we have to values ampersand name, ampersand roll, ampersand age, ampersand marks, and then enter value for name. Just like that we have use constants not null. Yes, not null. If we empty the column, then see what happened here. Here you can say that I am not fill data into name. Now we can fill data into roll, age, and marks. See, here is error where we cannot fill data of name. Okay, because we are here restriction not null. Data should be not null. Okay, column should be not null. So here is the data. If we now we have try another times and here we then we can put data. Here is RAM, roll, age, and marks. You have to see one row created. Now we have to see the table. Here the data is inserted. Another one we can use unique. Not null, we can see that not null what happens when not null constant leaves, then we can see unique. Just like see that we have already and RAM name data. Now we can enter again data of same RAM name. ठीक है, वापस roll, age, marks. See here again error should become because unique constant we have used unique constant and does not fulfill the restriction. Okay, so here is the error. Now we can check conditional statements where we check which is used in age. Okay, so now we can again insert into students values, enter name, role. It should be primary key. Role should be primary key. Okay, so age let we are enter condition age should be greater than equal to 20. We can enter low data marks 455. Here say that check constants, error should be check constants. Okay, if we fill correct data then they are inserted into strings. You can see here one row created. Now we can see primary key problems. Okay, here insert into student roles, and here we can name as Ria. Okay, role we can use role 2 in above. So we have data of role 2. Again we can use role 2. Then see what happened. Age we have given 34. Marks we can given. See unique constraints again. Okay, so because primary key here is the task. Okay, so you can also try it in your system, and if any problem occurs then comment me on my comment box. Thank you. If you like my sub channel and subscribe my study, then follow me on